Wahid Khan speaking to Qasim Ziad, head of Pakistan Federation of Rugby. Pakistan has performed wonderfully well in this Champions Trophy. Comments about Pakistan hockey in this tournament?
I'm very happy about the performance of the team. After a long time, they did quite well, and our team is improving day by day. This is a new team we are building up for the World Cup 2014, and I hope that this team is going to play well till then. And this Champions Trophy is an experience for the youngsters, a tournament which will give them boost to play against better teams, the teams which are ranked better in the world. And I think today my team coming up for the playing for the bronze medal is a great achievement.
A lot of youngsters in this team are performing wonderfully well. You're the head of hockey. What strategies that you applied in the local hockey league so that these kind of players can come forward in the upcoming future?
We have a different level hockey in Pakistan. We have junior leagues and then senior leagues. Plus we have also now having some junior academies in which we take boys from 14, 15 and 16 years of age, 12, 13 and 14 years of age. And we train them, we give them professional coaches. And, I think these boys are coming up from the academy, and in the times to come, we will be having much more potential players.
Players like Shakil Abbasi, our captain, Mohammad Imran, also goalkeeper Imran Butt, fantastic players. Compared to other sports like cricket, these hockey players are not given as much privileges. Can you have a few comments about that?
Yeah, that's true. Not that much privileges as the cricket players get, but I suppose the rest of all the games, if you see and compare in Pakistan, my hockey players are now getting stipend also. They are getting, I'm trying to get them permanent jobs in different departments, for which the Prime Minister of Pakistan has already ordered to the departments to make these teams and get these boys into regular employment. So I think that if I could get them into the departments and their future is secure, they'll be in a better position to play with more hard work and rigor and interest.
As far as Western hockey is concerned, a lot of Western hockey are interested in Pakistani players. Are there any strategies from the board level so that negotiations can take place rather than to individual players? Do they have player managers? So, because everybody's, for example, after the Champions Trophy, Shakil Abbasi, Mohammad Imran, they are really top players of world hockey. And in Western hockey, players like Western Australia as well as Holland, they're interested. Is there any strategies at a local level so the negotiation can take place?
Yes, we encourage the players to go play outside Pakistan in the leagues. And the India League started next month. And we've already given our players a go ahead to play. Whosoever is being selected, there will be different teams which are being played there. And the same is for Holland and other countries. Wherever our players want to go, we allow them. And that is what I took a decision as president, because before it was either you play leagues or you play for Pakistan. But then this is a decision of the board meeting, of the board of hockey, that we allow our players now to go and play the leagues international, because we feel they get experience, they get more understanding of the hockey, what international hockey is like, and how the European and Australian players play. I think when they go play there, look at our senior player Wasim, who's been playing in Holland now today, knows everybody and could play against everybody, and that is the confidence we need in our boys too.
Qasim Ziad, fantastic performance by the Pakistan hockey as well as by the board, because when they both work hand in hand, the results come out, and the results in this Champions Trophy are everybody to see. So from sports.com, we thank you for your time today.
Thank you very much.